When I was 17, I entered a robotic arm I created in my bedroom into the state science fair in Colorado. It had individual finger motion, I could toss a ball to you, I could shake people's hands and interact with them. And I noticed this one little girl came up to my project. She was fascinated by the arm I built. It was then when I realized that she was missing her right arm and is wearing a prosthetic device. The arm that she had was simpler than what I was creating. Essentially a human-like claw. It had one motion, open, close, and one sensor. I found out that her arm had cost about $80,000. The arm I built was about $400. And it really motivated me to take what I was doing for fun out of my bedroom and impact as many people as possible. That was my aha moment. I started the company Unlimited Tomorrow to make that reality. Unlimited Tomorrow has received some amazing support from advisors, mentors, and investors. About a year ago, we reached a huge milestone, which was putting our first device on a small 10-year-old girl named Momo. She was the first recipient of our advanced new 3D printed technology and has really set the bar for us. Earlier this year, we went through equity crowdfunding, which we had over 1,200 investors and we raised $1.6 million. And we're really just getting started. So now it's time to take the next step. There's almost 30 million amputees worldwide and only 5% of them have access to prosthetic devices. This is a big problem, and by using new technologies, we can solve this problem at a global level. Nobody's inspired me more than the amputees themselves. Caldwell wants to be a history teacher and be able to play a musical instrument. Nicole, who's 19, wants to rock climb around the world. Zoe is a 12-year-old girl out of Colorado who's an aspiring actor and singer. These are just 3 of the 100 lives we can transform, each living so tenaciously that you have to ask, what would they be able to do with both arms?
We tried prosthetics in the past, but they were uncomfortable and had limited use.
You can do whatever you set your mind to do, even when the odds are not all in your favor.
My past prosthetics have always been like really heavy and bulky, and they don't have individual fingers. They move just like one, and they've gone my way more than actually helped me.
Each device is custom 3D printed using a 3D scan of their other arm, which allows us to make one that matches their size and color. Innovative materials make the arm extremely lightweight and easy to maneuver. Custom-built electronics and software unlock a new world of functionality and ease of use. We even built in a sensation of touch just like a human hand. And each unit will cost less than $10,000 to produce and fit. That's about 10% of the conventional cost of a prosthetic device.
The fact that I could be able to just move my fingers blows my mind. I think that's absolutely crazy.
I'm looking forward to how realistic it's gonna look. I think that that's gonna be really cool for acting and dancing and stuff. And also, since it's 3D printed, it's gonna be much lighter. I always wanted to hold a cup of coffee with both hands.
We can transform the lives of 100 people by giving them prosthetic devices. Help us make all their tomorrows as amazing as they can be. Them and 97 others just like them. Whether it's just $10 or $50 or even a whole arm, we're asking you, help us transform the lives of 100 people by giving them prosthetic devices.